Hello, percussion friends. We're going to be going through the song Moving Around. So take a look at this guy real quick. We have R, L, R, and quarter notes. So we're going to be hearing the tempo about right here. So that means you're going to do right, left, right, rest. Right, left, right. Because don't you see it again in the next measure? So make sure you take that beat off and don't continue on with the left. You have to start over with right. For these measures, between this one and right here, you're going to experience what? Right, left, right, left, right, rest. Right, rest. Right, left, right, left, right, rest. Right, rest. And then what do they have you do? Doesn't this look exactly like the first four measures? First four boxes? That's actually going to be the exact same rhythm, but with opposite hands. So left, right, left, rest. Left, right, left, rest. Left, right, left, right, left. Make sure you're following the sticking pattern here. Left, right, left. Left, right, left. And then consecutively, right, left, right, left. If you play this with the correct stickings and you play it with the correct sound on each hand, it should sound pretty smooth and pretty seamless so that it sounds like you're using the same sticking the whole time. So this is the most important part of being a snare drummer at this point in the ball game, is making sure you've got a consistent sound between lefts and rights and that you are actually changing hands when you are supposed to. Please do not get in the habit of, I call it cheating, and getting everything as right hands, because we can play everything as one-handed at this point, right? But in order to grow and to be ready for the next challenges, we have to be able to switch hands, okay? So that's my little soapbox moment. Let's try this out together. Pause the video and practice these stickings. Practice the other side, the other half of the song, stickings, and make sure you can get through it. Making sure you bring your sticks back to the ready position are going to be important to making sure that you don't get lost or hit the wrong hand when you're not supposed to. Okay, here's the beginning. In 3, 2, 1. Almost messed up. So make sure when you finish, like I almost messed up between this note and this note, make sure that you're taking time to practice that transition in your brain. So maybe try just starting right here and going right, click, right, rest, left, right, left, left, right, left. Again, this is not terribly difficult, and you probably aren't like thinking that it's too much for you to handle, but I do want to make sure that you guys are understanding where I'm at mentally when I'm going through this as a player. So keep up the good work. Let me know if you have any questions. And if I left anything out, please let me know, okay? Have a great day. Bye-bye.